Hello viewers, today I will show you how to find tags from any YouTube video. After watching the video, you will find tags from any YouTube video. Suppose I want to find tags from this YouTube video. Right click on the video, copy link address. You can also copy the link address from your mobile. Then go to this website. I will give the website link in my video description. Now paste the link. Click on I am not a robot. Now click on find the tags. It will extract all the tags from this YouTube video. Here you can see the tags. You can copy the tags. Just click on the copy the tags button. Click on this button. It will copy all the tags. You can paste it in your notepad. You can paste it in your notepad and you can modify it. If you don't want to add any tag to your YouTube video, you can delete it. This way you can find tags from any YouTube video. You can copy the tags and you can paste the tags here. I will give the website link in my video description, so check my video description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.